The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, southern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, northern Morrow County, Crawford County, until 8:15 p.m.
Finally.
At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenton, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Bucyrus, Sandusky, Mount Gilead, Galion, Crestline, New Washington, Level, Morrill, Marcells, Nevada, Caledonia, New Bloomington, Edison, Greencamp, Tyro, North Robinson, Harpster, Osceola, and Sulphur Springs. Here are the 6 p.m. weather conditions.